Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back in social behavior class. In the previous class we have learned how to say Namaste, that is how to greet the people in society. In today's class we shall learn how we should cough or sneeze if we feel to cough or sneeze. Children, better to use mask when you are feeling like cough or cold. If you have removed your mask, when you feel like coughing, you have to turn towards one side where people are not there, and you have to cover your nose and mouth with a napkin and cough with very less sound. In this way you have to cough. If you feel like sneezing, to avoid the sneezing, you can rub the either side of nose to avoid it. Even after rubbing, if you are not able to avoid it, then take a napkin, cover your nose and mouth, turn towards side and sneeze with less noise. That your cough or sneeze should not disturb others. Dear parents, kindly help your child to inculcate these habits. Thank you.